Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make viral cheesecake. First, let's talk about your ingredients. The foundation of an amazing cheesecake is high-quality, full-fat cream cheese, about 900 grams, which ensures a rich, creamy texture. Always use full-fat dairy like sour cream or heavy cream for the best results. Crucially, make sure all your ingredients, especially the cream cheese and eggs, are at room temperature before you begin mixing. This prevents lumps and ensures a perfectly smooth batter. Next, let's create the perfect base for your cheesecake. You'll need about 200 grams of finely crushed graham cracker crumbs. Mix these thoroughly with 60 grams of melted unsalted butter until well combined. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. For a sturdy crust, bake it for about 10 minutes in an oven preheated to 175 degrees Celsius. This step helps prevent a soggy bottom. Now for the star of the show, the filling. Beat your room temperature cream cheese on medium speed until it's incredibly smooth and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Gradually add about 250 grams of granulated sugar, then incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just until combined after each addition. Finally, gently fold in 120 milliliters of sour cream or heavy cream. Remember, do not overmix the batter. This is key to preventing cracks. The baking and cooling process is crucial for a flawless cheesecake. Place your springform pan in a larger roasting pan and fill the outer pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, then reduce to 150 degrees Celsius for about 60 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool slowly inside with the door slightly ajar for 1 hour. Finally, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours, or ideally overnight, before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.